Welcome everyone, here's how you add the phone icon to the home screen of your iPhone. So the phone icon is actually on your home screen, you just can't see it. But to make things easy, slide down, then search for phone, and all you do is you drag and drop, and then you can see the phone icon is right on your home screen. If that doesn't work, slide to the left until you're brought to the app library, search for phone, and repeat the same process, drag and drop. If that still doesn't work for whatever reason, open up the settings app, find the home page's settings, then tap on general, then find reset, then tap on reset, and reset the home screen layout. That will 100% solve the issue. So with that being said, thanks for watching, see you guys later, bye bye.